You're looking at the Moringa oleifera tree, otherwise known as the drumstick tree or the horseradish tree. And you can see over here we have a beautiful little bee that is working the moringa flowers on this tree. This is a tree that I've been growing. I have several of these. I grew about 30 or 40, I can't remember now, something around 36 of these. And I have 3 of the trees left. This one stands approximately, my goodness, it's probably 9 feet tall. And it's a gorgeous tree. A 7-gallon container. Moringa oleifera. Now this is a tree that, if you've been paying attention, you know that produces very long pods, and that these pods are edible. It also has beans in the pods. The pods are also edible. The beans that are in there, they're small winged seeds, or they look like peas that you can actually mash them or cook them. You can take the leaves of this tree and you can include it in a salad. Use fresh tender leaves. Has a kind of a taste that's a little on the bitter side, and sort of a cross between an asparagus and a peanut. Kind of odd, but that's the way it's been described. I've tasted it. I've found it to be something that I'll occasionally throw a few of the more tender leaves in the salad so that I can get some health benefit from it. It's been known to be used for all kinds of ailments. I don't want to get into any specifics because I'm not a doctor or an herbalist. All I am is a grower, and I enjoy growing things that are useful, and I believe this is a very, very useful tree. This tree grows extremely quickly, not a slow growing tree by any means. So if you wanted to plant these and actually produce the pods, the beans, or even use the leaves as a crop that you would harvest, you could plant the whole field of these and you'd do quite well. The temperatures that it likes, the favorite temperature, is somewhere around 78 to say 85, 90 degrees. So that's a range where the tree is going to be pretty happy. It can withstand lower temperatures, and I did grow these during the winter here in Florida, and we did get some cold snaps, and the tree seemed to do fine. So I don't think that it's going to be a big problem with the cold, but nevertheless, be a little concerned, because after growing it only for 1 or 2 seasons during the cold, it's hard for me to give you a definitive answer about how cold hardy they're going to be. But this is a gorgeous tree with a very nice caliper, nice thickness, and I remember transplanting this about a month ago, and I'm lifting the pot, and I would say that normally don't do this, but I'm pretty confident that it's very well rooted, so that's why I did that. Again, it's a gorgeous tree. It's called Moringa oleifera, known as the drumstick tree or the horseradish tree. And we'll bring you some more updates on the Moringa oleifera trees as time goes on. It's a beautiful day here in Davie, Florida. I'm glad to be here showing you a little bit about how to grow these trees in the pots, and telling you about how they can be useful to you and to your health. Anyway, this is Peppy from Peppy's Plants. You can always visit me at peppysplants.com, and we have a great selection of all different types of tropical and subtropical fruit trees. I hope you enjoyed our video and hope to see you soon. Thank you.